Do you want to see PaidViewpoint payment proof and find out how much you can overall earn so you will know if this will be worth your time or not? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have used this platform for quite a while, and many viewers here on my channel have asked me to show how to withdraw and also if it actually really still pays, and it definitely does. I will show you step by step how to withdraw PayPal cash from it right now and also show you payment proof, and then overall we will talk about how much you can earn so you do it with the right expectations if you find out this is for you. So let's start by going over the basics of what PaidViewpoint is. This is not a full tutorial because in this video I will instead focus on the payment proof and how much you can earn. And if you want to know exactly how to earn and all the details of that, I have a full written review on my website. I will leave a link to that below so you can go and check that out. But just quickly, it is a paid service site. So the only way you can earn is by taking paid service, but the paid service are quite different from many other service sites because the ones you get here, you are guaranteed to qualify for them. So there's no this qualification process that can sometimes be frustrating. And also they are very short compared to many other surveys. So it is very easy to use and very user-friendly like that. But let's just jump straight to the payment proof and the withdrawal process so we can see that, and then we'll talk about how much you can overall earn. So once you're logged in, you just go to this $ here to withdraw. You can see your earnings up here, and as mentioned, I will go over how long this has taken because this has taken a long time. This is not something you will earn overnight or anything like that, just to make it clear. We'll talk more about that later. But to withdraw, you need to go to your earnings. And you can see what I currently have. And the only payout option it offers is PayPal. So you need a verified PayPal account. So first I need to click this PayPal verification to connect it with my PayPal address, and I need to do this every time I want to withdraw. So I'll just do that now. So when you click that button, it will just take you to PayPal. You just need to log in, then it takes you back here, and then it says your PayPal is verified. You see this tick here, and this then shows my email that I of course blurred out. So then all I need to do is to then click to cash out now. And you can see now it just goes back to 0. So now I don't have any earnings because it is processed. You can see it can take up to 72 hours for the funds to arrive in my PayPal account. But I will leave a screenshot here on the screen so you can see that that money did go into my PayPal account. And also there I will write exactly how long it took. But let's then talk about how much you can overall earn. How long has it taken me to earn $1,000? Because I know a lot of people will ask about that. So let's talk about that next. So as you can see, PaidViewpoint definitely does pay, but how long has it taken to earn $1,000? Because I know a lot of people will ask that now. And let me just reveal right away, that has taken a long time. I have not cashed out for like way more than a year, I think, because I've used it before and been paid by many times. So I just kind of let it build up. Usually I recommend if you're like new to service sites and things like that, you don't let it build up this much. But just for PaidViewpoint, I just let it build up for a long time and then I taken it out. Also, I have not earned this just by taking paid service. I want to be completely transparent about that. I have made other content about PaidViewpoint, and some people have then joined through my invitation link, and therefore I have earned some commissions for referring other people. So you will not earn $1,000 fast. That is not what I'm saying in this video. It's just to prove that it does pay. It also pays when you accumulate, because some people say, yeah, if you earn more, then you won't get paid. And I wanted to prove that wrong. So I just wanted to let it accumulate and show that it also pays when it is bigger amounts. But you only need to earn $15 to get paid. But that actually can take some patience sometimes depending on where you live, because PaidViewpoint, as mentioned, is very special because the surveys are very short, very easy. You are guaranteed to qualify and get quite good rewards for it, but there are just not as many paid surveys as there are on many other platforms. Also, you can join it from all countries basically, but it is basically only worth it if you live in an English-speaking country. If you do not, you will likely never get enough surveys to ever reach the payout threshold. So that is something you really need to consider and that I wanted to make very clear. But if you live in one of the English-speaking countries, it can be worth it. It can still take some patience sometimes because you do not get service often, but the ones you do, they're definitely worth it. I find the platform very user-friendly. And it can be a nice extra service site because the service you find here are different from the service you can find on other paid service sites. But you should also make sure to use other paid service sites in addition to this, in my opinion. I'll also leave a link below to the best service sites in different countries so you can find the best ones for you. So you can check that out there. So to sum it all up, PaidViewpoint, it does pay. It can definitely be worth it if you do it with the right expectations. You will not earn $100 or $1,000 fast. Remember that I explained how long it has taken me and what extra I have done also to reach that. This is for a little bit of extra money once in a while. For usually if you just get started, I would recommend you just cash out whenever you reach the $15. And you need to make sure you only use it if you live in an English speaking country, because if not, you will just not find enough surveys to ever reach the payout threshold. Then it is better to use other paid service sites instead. And as mentioned, I will leave a link below to a list I have of the best paid service sites for different countries, so you can choose your country and find the best paid service sites there. I will also leave a link below to PaidViewpoint, so if you want to join it, you can do that through that. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you and showed you that it does pay also if you let it accumulate, as some people have questioned that. So I just wanted to prove that, and many people have asked me about this, and that's why I wanted to show exactly how it works. And if the video helped you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time when I see a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.